Led Zeppelin, Just Real Book Complete. It says on the backside of this unique music book, complete, including all songs from the band's albums. Bonus guitar tabs section featuring many of Jimmy Page classic riff and solos. Complete history of the band, detailed analysis of Jimmy Page guitar style, and photo gallery. And here you can see all the famous and fabulous songs and musical numbers from Led Zeppelin, one of the greatest rock bands in rock history. Here you have the front page, so you can recognize this fantastic and unique book, Led Zeppelin, Just Real Book Complete. Led Zeppelin, Led Zeppelin 2, Led Zeppelin 3, Led Zeppelin 4, Houses of the Holy, Physical Graffiti, Presence og In Through the Outdoor og Coda. I have lent this fantastic music book on the library. In Denmark we have a world-class library system. And my fellow musicians and colleagues, please let me say again and again that the right place for getting the right chords for music numbers are not on the internet. You can't trust either artificial intelligence, and sometimes you can't trust human intelligence if the users are uploading chords for what they think are the right chords for this or that song. There is one source that is a verified, quality-checked source. That is the music book, and that is the library system. Back to Led Zeppelin real book. I'm getting a lot out of lending a lot of music books on the library and looking at the chords. For instance, just a random page here. What chords are Led Zeppelin using? Trying to find a pattern. Is there some kind of chords the guitarists like to use a lot? For instance, in Pink Floyd, which also can be played if you are eager on your guitar and new beginner. Within 1 or 2 years, you can play some Pink Floyd. And why shouldn't you also be able to play some Led Zeppelin? Lending a book and practicing following the book and studying the chords are a great start point for beginning to learn some musical numbers and get it from the best and quality checked Led Zeppelin real